Hello, this is Rosina's Italian Kitchen. Today it's a very hot day here, so we're going to make Italian sodas. We're going to start with putting ice in our glass, lots of ice, and I think that'll be good. I'm going to put a half a cup of club soda. Oh, I forgot to open this. Now that I have the club soda open, I'm going to pour a half a cup in here. I'm measuring because I don't make this often. That's a half a cup. I'm going to put this back. The next thing I'm going to do is put 3 tablespoons of the syrup. There we go. Oh, I meant to put the soda in, the club soda in here, in the glass before that. And now it goes 1 tablespoon of the grenadine syrup, 2 tablespoons, and this is the 3rd tablespoon. And the next thing will be putting the half and half in, and that's going to be 2 tablespoons. Whoa. 1, 2. Now I'm going to use my stirrer. Just a minute here. Now I'm going to stir it. That ought to taste very good. I'm going to put a little whipping cream. Whipping cream has never hurt anybody. Whoa, beautiful. Hope you enjoy it. Let's taste it. Tanto bene, bene, tanto buono.